Okay, so hi everybody. Today we are here with a new video about Python versus JavaScript. In this video, we will have a comparison based on key factors, which I have listed below. So Python and JavaScript are two of the most popular programming languages, but they serve different purposes and have distinct characteristics. Now, in this video, we are going to start with some factors. Let's start without wasting it. So here's the first one, purpose and use cases. Now, Python is a general purpose language. It is widely used in data science, machine learning, web development on the back end, scientific computing, automation, and scripting, all of these things. And in JavaScript, we have, it's primarily used for web development. It works in both, front end, for example, in the browser, and at the back end, for example, in the Node.js. And it is essential for creating interactive web pages. The second one is ease of learning. Now, you must have heard it before, and I'm, 1,000% sure that Python is known for its, simplicity and, its readable syntax. And it's great for beginners because of its similarity to plain English. JavaScript is slightly more complex, so because it requires understanding of web technologies, like HTML and CSS, so it is slightly more complex than Python. The third one is performance. Now, Python is slower compared to JavaScript because it's interpreted and dynamically typed, and it is suitable for tasks where performance is not critical. While JavaScript is faster for real-time applications, for example, web apps and games, due to its execution in the browser's JavaScript engine. If you talk about the fourth thing, which is execution environment, then Python, it can run on servers, desktops, or in specific environments, and you just need to install, Python interpreter, which is quite easy to install. And JavaScript too, it can natively run on browsers. It can also run on servers using Node.js. And the fifth is libraries and frameworks. Um, Python and JavaScript, they both have a good ecosystem. If we talk about Python, Python has a rich ecosystem with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, uh, Django, and Flask. A lot of them. When you search on the internet for libraries in Python, you're gonna get a whole lot of it. And for Java too, it has a strong ecosystem for web development with frameworks like React, Vue.js, Angular, and backend solutions like Express.js, and it's excellent for web and mobile applications. Number six is community and support. Both languages have large active communities with extensive resources and documentation. So you can take any one of them. You can say both of them are equal in when we talk about community. Then comes job opportunities, the thing that hits most of the people when they want to choose between languages. And you can say that Python has a high demand and JavaScript too. Python has a high demand in data science, AI, backend development, and automation. JavaScript, on the other hand, has a high demand in web development, especially front end and full stack roles. So you can say both have high demand. Then we have type system. Again, Python is dynamically typed, but type hints are supported. JavaScript is dynamically typed, but TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. It does add, optional static typing. So we have the conclusion, which if I tell on my own, I'll say that you can choose Python if you're interested in data analysis, machine learning, automation, um, or general purpose programming, and choose JavaScript if you're focusing on web development or building interactive user interfaces. Your choice ultimately depends on your project goals and career interests.